If you've closed your Facebook account and wish to reopen it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access. Make sure you have your login information handy. Step 1. Visit the Facebook login page. Go to the Facebook website or open the Facebook app on your device. You will need to enter your email or phone number and password associated with the closed account. Step 2. Enter your credentials. Input your login details in the fields provided. If you remember your password, type it in. If you've forgotten it, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Follow the reactivation prompts. After entering your credentials, if your account is eligible for reactivation, Facebook will prompt you to confirm that you want to reactivate your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Step 4. Review your account settings. Once reactivated, take a moment to review your account settings. Check your privacy settings, friend requests, and any notifications to ensure everything is as you want. Step 5. Update your information. If necessary, update any outdated information such as your email address or phone number. This will help secure your account and ensure you receive important notifications. After completing these steps, your Facebook account should be successfully reopened. Enjoy reconnecting with friends and family.